Have you ever wondered how the materials used in the machines and tools that we rely on every day are made? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of 52100 alloy steel and discover what makes it such a sought-after material in precision engineering. 52100 alloy steel, also known as high-carbon chromium steel, is a durable and versatile material used in a variety of applications, from ball bearings to aircraft parts. The secret to 52100 steel's strength lies in its unique composition, which includes high levels of chromium, carbon, and a small amount of manganese. These elements combine to give 52100 steel its exceptional hardness, toughness, and wear resistance. 52100 round bars are often used in precision engineering applications that require high strength and durability. These bars are frequently used in the manufacture of ball bearings, axle shafts, and other critical components that require reliable and consistent performance. Our precision ground 52100 steel round bars are carefully machined to ensure a smooth, uniform finish that meets even the most exacting specifications. At Forte Precision Metals, we take pride in providing our customers with the highest quality round bars and centerless grinding services. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in every product we sell, and we're dedicated to helping our customers succeed. For more information about our products and services, please visit our website today.